It's been a fun day. Hey, day in the life of a busy real estate agent, episode number 522. This has been a little bit crazy, but it's been a fun day. We had not one but 2 closings today. Actually, now we just got approval. We're about to have 3 closings in one day on our team. We're pretty excited about it. We've got one couple that sold the house to an investor, and then they are also closing on the house that they're buying today. It's been a little bit crazy, but it's been a lot of fun. 2 different closing attorneys, 2 sellers, 2 buyers. We've been managing a lot of things today. And then in a totally separate transaction, we have another closing. It was a little tenuous. We were trying to get the last thing approved. We just got approval, so I'm headed back to the attorney's office so that we can have closing number 3 in one day. Man, it's been fun. No complaints from me. I'm Erica Payne with Luxury Living International. Come close with me.